Hi, as I guess many of you, we are using Notion and we are loving it. It's really useful for us, and we are also using it to write in proposal. But we write proposal like this one, and here we can insert different data like the author of the proposal, the client, the date, and some details. And then we write a description. And from this description, we can generate a Word and a PDF version. The way we do this, well, we define the description using different kind of headers, subheaders, and so on. We can import some snippets. There are pieces of code that we repeat all the time in proposals. We can use divider to indicate that we want to jump to a new page. We have lists with numbers or with points. We can use also italic if you want. And basically we have what is for now an external program, so it's not running on a server but will be in the future. I'm running this program. Now it's automatically connects to Notion, download all the proposals, and generate the Word and the PDF for all of them, so it takes a while. Okay, let's see. We can see now that the proposal has been generated, and I can take a look at it. And you can see the snippet that is being copied here, and here we have the different options. Here the italic as we have Notion, and here, and we have also the PDF version. That looks exactly the same. And that's it.